It was more than just a game. It was a battle of emotions, of history, of pride. When Pakistan and India step onto the cricket field, it's not just about winning or losing, it's about making a statement to millions, to entire generations. The tension was electric. The stadium, a sea of green and blue, roared with every boundary, every wicket, every moment of brilliance. But as the final overs approached, something changed. Pakistan, once in control, began to falter. The pressure mounted, the momentum shifted, and in the blink of an eye, the match slipped away. 1. The build-up, a rivalry like no other. No cricket rivalry in the world carries the weight of Pakistan versus India. Decades of political history, wars, and cultural differences boil down to 22 players on a field, fighting not just for a trophy, but for their people. In the days leading up to the match, every street corner, every news channel, every conversation was consumed by one question: who will win? Both teams were stacked with talent. India had their star batsmen, their clinical bowlers, their unwavering belief. Pakistan had their fiery pace attack, their unpredictable flair, their hunger to prove the world wrong. But cricket isn't played on paper. It's played in moments. And in this match, the biggest moments belong to India. 2. The turning point, the over that changed everything. At first, it seemed like Pakistan had the edge. The openers looked solid, the middle order was building a platform, and the target felt within reach. Then came the over that changed everything. A mistimed shot. A rush of blood. A wicket falls. Then another. And another. Suddenly, the scoreboard looked different. The confident Pakistani fans fell silent, their cheers replaced by nervous murmurs. The Indian team, sensing the shift, pounced. Their bowlers tightened their grip, their fielders moved in like a pack of wolves. The pressure was suffocating. 3. The collapse, when hope turned to heartbreak. Cricket is a cruel sport. 1 minute, you're in control. The next, you're watching the game slip through your fingers. Pakistan's batting lineup, so full of promise, crumbled under the lights. The runs dried up. The required rate climbed. The wickets kept tumbling. And then, the moment that sealed it, a reckless shot, a desperate run out, and the realization that the match was gone. For the players, the weight of a nation sat on their shoulders. For the fans, it was heartbreak. But for India, it was glory. 4. The aftermath. A nation reacts as the final wicket fell. The Indian players erupted in celebration. The crowd exploded with joy. Fireworks lit up the night sky. On the other side, Pakistani players stood motionless, disbelief written across their faces. Fans back home stared at their screens in stunned silence. Some blamed the pitch. Some blamed the captain. Some simply couldn't believe what had happened. In the days that followed, debates raged. Was it the pressure? The strategy? The luck? Everyone had an opinion. But deep down, one truth remained: Pakistan had let victory slip through their hands. 5. The lessons. What comes next? Defeat is painful, but it's also a lesson. Every great team faces heartbreak before they rise again. Pakistan's loss to India was a reminder of the fine margins in cricket, the need for composure under pressure, the importance of seizing the big moments. So, what's next? Will Pakistan bounce back stronger? Will they rewrite their story the next time they meet India on the grand stage? One thing is certain, this rivalry is far from over. And the next chapter, it's only just beginning. What do you think went wrong for Pakistan? Was it nerves, tactics, or just fate? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love the thrill of cricket's greatest battles, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Because when Pakistan and India meet again, you won't want to miss it.